Join me as I dive into the secrets that real estate agents don't want you to know. I uncover the most important tips you should not ignore. Hi, I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate. So let's get started. When it comes to buying or selling a property, real estate agents are often the ones who hold the keys to success. They have the expertise, the knowledge, and the experience to navigate the complex world of real estate. But what if I told you that there are secrets that real estate agents know that can significantly impact your chances of getting the best deal possible? Secrets that can save you thousands of dollars or help you avoid major mistakes in the process. One common misconception that buyers and sellers have about real estate agents is that they're only looking out for their own interests, that they're just trying to make a quick sale and collect their commission. The truth is, however, a good real estate agent is someone who is committed to helping their clients achieve their goals. They're not just salespeople, they're advisors, negotiators, and problem solvers. Another misconception is that real estate agents are only necessary for complex or high stakes transactions. But in reality, even the simplest of deals, an agent can provide valuable guidance and oversight. Many buyers and sellers also think that they can go it alone, that they don't need an agent to navigate the process. But the truth is, without proper guidance, you're leaving yourself open to all sorts of pitfalls and risks. From incorrect pricing to hidden defects, there are countless ways that a DIY approach can end in disaster. And finally, some people think that real estate agents are all about pushing for a deal at any price possible, without considering the needs and goals of their clients. The truth couldn't be further wrong. A good agent will always prioritize their clients' interests and work to find a solution that meets their needs. So what do real estate agents know that you don't? What secrets do they possess that can give you an edge in the market? From market trends to negotiation tactics, there are a few key secrets that agents wish their clients knew. For example, many agents have access to off-market listings or properties that are not yet publicly available. This can give you a huge advantage in terms of getting in on a deal before anyone else. Agents also know how to navigate the complex world of offer and counter-offer and can help you craft a winning bid that meets your needs and budget. Another secret that agents know is how to spot hidden costs in transactions. From inspection fees to closing costs, there are all sorts of expenses that can add up quickly. A good agent will help you anticipate and plan for these costs so you don't get caught off guard. And importantly, agents know how to read the market and can provide valuable insights into trends and predictions. This can help you make more informed decisions about when to buy or sell and how to position yourself for success. There's one crucial secret agents understand that can save buyers and sellers thousands of dollars or help them avoid major mistakes in the process. It's the secret of effective pricing. You see, many buyers and sellers make the mistake of pricing their property too high or too low. This can lead to all sorts of problems, from scaring off potential buyers to leaving money on the table. But a good agent knows how to price a property perfectly, taking into account all sorts of factors from comparable sales to market trends. This is especially important in today's market where prices are constantly fluctuating. A good agent will be able to advise you on the perfect price for your property and help you navigate the complex process of offers and counter offers. They'll also be able to help you avoid common mistakes like overpricing or underpricing, which can cost you thousands of dollars. And if you're a buyer, an agent can help you negotiate the best possible price and avoid overpaying for a property. So there you have it. The secrets that real estate agents know that you shouldn't ignore. From market trends to effective pricing, these tips can make all the difference in your real estate journey. Make sure to keep them in mind next time you are buying or selling a property. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own experiences with real estate agents. Have you had any successes or failures in the past? What did you learn from that experience? And if you want more tips and insights on real estate, be sure to check out my other videos. Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.